Hello to all my beautiful people. Welcome to my first video of 2022. There has been a lot of changes in my life over the holidays. I have a surprise for you guys. As you can see probably by my background, I have moved into a new apartment. The vibe today is going to be a little bit of a welcome to my crib by MTV. Only that you're going to see that it's going to be a little bit different. So let's go. I'm going to go show you around. This is my little piece of heaven. It's not very big, but it's beautiful and it's exactly what I need. When we walk in, everything is just like a really big open space, and that's what I want it to be. For me, it's very important to have just like a very open and airy space. I don't like to see anything on top of the counters. I like everything to be just very white and very fresh. And this is actually it's a new unit. I'm the first person to live here and I just love everything in here. You know, I have no furniture, but I have flowers. This was a very special gift that I received. Just to put a smile on my face. One of the things that I really love about this place is that not only is super wide area and space, it's not really that big, but it just gives you the sense of having a lot of space. But I honestly love this light gray wood floors. I just feel like they make the place feel very luxe, even though it's still very minimalistic. I just wanted to walk you a little bit through the furniture and what I'm thinking about doing here. And I'm super happy to share these tips with you if you want me to actually like share my journey on why I'm making the decisions I'm making and which couches and tables and mirrors. And in this area right here, because it's right next to the kitchen, I love entertaining and having my friends over and my family. I am thinking of putting a dining table here, just a round dining table with 4 chairs. I will share some images if you want of what I'm thinking about. And then as we move along over here, this is going to be where, like, kind of like the entertainment area where we just sit to relax and be together. I'm thinking about putting a couch right here, and with a coffee table here, maybe another little chair here, and here on this wall I will have like a TV that's going to be hanging, and hopefully I can put like a frame around it so one thing about me is I'm really anal about, I don't like seeing anything anywhere. I don't like to see clutter, I don't like to see things on top of surfaces. So I would like to put here kind of like a floating shelf that hides all of this. My piece of furniture that I have right now, I have a sound system, I have flowers, I have all my interior decorating books that I love, and yes, now we're going to walk outside to the balcony of the area of the apartment that won my heart. I saw this and I was like, that's it, I'm sold, I want to move in. And the reason is because I can start my mornings here. I can start doing my morning yoga practice here, and at the end of the day I am going to show you guys we have literally the most epic sunset of Miami. It's right here in front of us. Now I am going to walk you in to my bedroom. As they say on MTV Cribs, this is where the magic happens, even though there has been no magic happening in here, but I'm still going to show you. Come on in. Ta-ta! So welcome to my bed, my dining room, my sofa, my office, my everything. I literally do everything out of here because there's really no other place to sit down in the apartment. other than my filming room, which I'm going to take you guys there, you're gonna see. But whenever I'm not in my filming room, this is my little piece of heaven. You guys probably recognize the bed sheet, just the whole bed setup. This is exactly the same bed sheets, duvet, pillows, and everything that I had in London. I bought this in Jan Lewis. It's just 1,000 thread count Egyptian cotton with like duvet, down feather. I mean, literally the bed is like a cloud. So this is my bed. My plans for this room is to actually make it like super vibey, art deco, very cool, very luxurious, but very zen. I am thinking about covering this entire back wall with paneling and having a bed kind of like in the same material of the wall panel and just making it really, really beautiful. And maybe having like a little bed stand in the front of the bed and just very minimalistic night tables with lamps. Just very simple, letting just like the wall and the bed speak for itself. Another thing I love so much about this bedroom is the view. I have the same exact view as the balcony, which lets a lot of light in here during the day. I can wake up with natural light and I can go to sleep just in a very zen, beautiful, it just really calms me down to live here, and I'm just really, really happy to be able to share this with you. I'm going to take you on now to this is the closet area. There's really nothing in the closets right now. We're kind of like working on it, putting shelves inside. This right here is the laundry, so it has a washer and a dryer. We are now in my bathroom. This is a space that connects both to the bedroom and to this door goes through the front entrance. I love that this bathroom, like for example here, the marble countertop, this is not marble, this is quartz, but it's so white and it's so sleek. I don't have much here other than my favorite perfume. You guys saw me open this in my what I got for Christmas video. I literally love this. This scent just makes me so happy. Actually, oh my god, it's just so delicious. I love the lighting in here. It's the perfect lighting for makeup, and very different than my previous place in Miami where the bathroom was so dark, guys. It was so hard for me to do my makeup in that bathroom. I can literally have a party in the shower. Look how big it is. I love it. Because my old bathroom was like beautiful, but it was dark. The tiles were dark, it was like dark brown, and I just really love how alive and how awake I feel.